This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Claudia McIntosh. Enjoy downtown living in the desirable historic Freemason district. This 2-bedroom/2-bath condo has an open floor plan, with a gorgeous kitchen that is open to the main living area. Totally renovated kitchen has custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, and upgraded appliances. Generously sized bedrooms on either side of the main living area offer privacy to all occupants. Terrific closet space throughout. The main living area has a cozy fireplace and opens out to a covered balcony, which is perfect for dining al fresco or morning coffee. Luxury LVT flooring throughout. Pet-friendly community close to shops, restaurants, museums, and Towne Point Park waterfront. October 7, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Claudia McIntosh at 757-291-6230.